Now I'll come back to the session once again to take your questions. What are the questions you want to ask all about it? Okay, Mr. Pogoto, what do you want to ask me all about it? Mr. Pogoto, are you there? Mr. Pogoto Patra, are you there? Can you please switch on your microphone and so that I could hear you?
Yes, sir.
What is your question? What topic have you not understood? Do not speak Bengali, otherwise you'll be get out of the classroom. You are not here to speak any word in Bengali, only English. If you do not understand, okay, no problem. You will hear it once again. You have to understand. You after 6 years of study from class 1 to 6, you should understand. I am talking in Indian accent, not American, and very slowly. English is not spoken in that way. English is a very fast language. When you watch the television, you understand BBC channel and etc. They will be faster. So after studying English language for 6 years, you cannot say that I do not understand English. Then you will be thrown out of this world, right? The world is very cruel. Now tell me, Mr. Progoto, in English, what you have not understood or what you have understood. Explain it in English. What have you understood? Mr. Progoto, what have you understood? I'm asking you. You are not here to give any explanation in Bengali. You have to speak whatever wrong or right you can, but in English. Okay. Mr. Progoto, tell me what have you understood? Do you get my point? Are you not speaking? Hello? Did you get my point? Can you listen to me, Mr. Progoto? Yes or no? Can you listen to me?
Yes.
So what you have understood? Can you tell me? A few lines, 1 point, 2 points, whatever. Hello?
Sir,
Have you understood anything? In English, no Bengali. Have you understood anything?
sir,
In English only. Bengali not permitted. Whatever wrong, right, no problem, but you have to speak in English. That is the simple rule. Have you understood anything?
no.
You have not
I
understood. Yes, tell me, you have not understood anything. I had countless plan about what I would do after the exam. Explain this point. I had countless plans about what I would do after the exam. Can you tell me the meaning of this sentence in English? What is the meaning? I had countless plans. So left about it. So I had countless plans. What is the tense here? Could you please explain? I had countless plans. So this person, what is the tense? Could you please explain in English? Surajita Roy, could you please explain what is the tense and what is the meaning? I had countless plans.
Yes, sir.
Okay, explain
He
it.
had he had countless plans like after that exam where he will study, what he will do, and
Yes,
which
yes.
part of
Countless
medical.
means he had many plans. He had he had many plans what to do after the exam. Okay. Sanida Ghosh, what have you understood?
Yes, sir.
What have you understood from this lecture? From this lecture, what I try to give you in your college, whenever you get admission, the lecturer, the professor will give you lecture and you have to understand. If you don't understand now, so then you will never understand anything. Now or never. So what have you understood? What have you understood?
Uh,
Okay,
I
can you explain this
understood.
point in English? Whenever you read something, try and immediately connect it to a related topic. Can you explain this point? Okay, I'm showing another one. Try and visualize the part that food pipe. You do not know this, so you cannot. Okay. Okay, now tell me, practicing question is definitely a good way to apply this in real life. Could you please explain it? In English only.
Repeat the question.
That is written on your screen. Practicing question is definitely a good way to apply this in real life.
Practicing questioning is good
Hmm.
in
Question is
real life.
definitely a good way to real life. Okay, can you explain this point? Can you explain it? Can you explain? Can you tell me something about it?
Practicing
Can you explain it?
questions is good in real life.
Yes.
In my life.
Yes. Have you practiced question on self introduction?
Yes.
So, have you got anything, any benefit?
Repeat.
Practicing question and giving answer. So, you have practiced a lot of questions on self introduction. Introduce yourself. So, is there any improvement in your English conversation after practicing question and
Yes.
before practicing question? Is there any difference? So, when you did not practice all the question and answer, after 1 year, before 1 year, suppose you are now in class 3, what is your level of English speaking capability and now? Is there any difference? Hello?
Hello.
Okay. Before 6 months, when you are not admitted into my class and you have not practiced self introduction questions and answers, and now you have practiced a lot questioning, answering, like what is your name? My name is Sanidha Ghosh. After again and again practicing a lot of questions, where do you live? What is the name of your village? So, is there any improvement you can find in yourself?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So, if you did not practice this, would you be that fluent as of now you are? English fluency, the speed at which you speak the language English. So, is there any improvement? Is there any change? Hello? Is there any change in fluency? English speaking fluency. Is there any change?
Uh,
Or is your sister
yes, sir.
Guinea Ghosh has not attended the class?
Yes.
Where is Guinea Ghosh?
Yes.
Guinea Ghosh is where I cannot see. Guinea Ghosh is with you or with another computer? Hello?
Hello.
Guinea Ghosh is with you or with another computer? Can you switch on your video,
My
Sanidha Ghosh?
mobile.
Okay, can you switch on the video?
Yes, sir.
But I'm not able to watch. Okay, I'm okay. Where is Guinea Ghosh?
Yes. এখানে. It's
Okay,
here.
what she has understood? Guinea Ghosh, explain me what you have understood.
আর এখান থেকে তুমি কি বুঝতে পেরেছো?
Okay, I'll come back to very soon Bengali, right? I'm closing this class and come back to my own language, that is Bengali, for you. So that